What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm here with a video on the Texas Chainsaw Massacre game. Don't know what it is. It's a 3v5 survival game. 3 people play as the killers and 5 people play as the survivors. Today I've got a Leatherface video for you guys. 2 games, that's it, 2 games, sorry. They came from the live stream I just did. If you watched it, good. If not, fuck you, you're about to see it in the stream, so I don't, you're about to see it in the video, so I don't care. But yeah, I'll quickly just show you guys the build we've been using. So we have Rough Cut level 3, which is extra damage on a victim for 7 seconds. We have Blood Banker, which increases our blood vial, and Scout for better movement speed. And here is the chainsaw tree, reduction overheat, stalling resistance, and instant activation. Copy down the build if you want to use it in the game. Doesn't matter to me, and I'll see you guys in the video. What the fuck has just happened to my stream quality? Everything is bright as fuck.
Scheduled draining of the Colton Reservoir was put on hold when city workers discovered the remains of more than a dozen animal corpses. The bodies are reported as being in various states.
Why does it look like that?
Authorities believe the carcasses are from packs of wandering wild dogs, with them most likely to be rabid. Residents are cautioned to refrain from consuming any water stored from.
There we go. Playing the big bub, the big B, the big B-U-B-B-A. Come here, Vickies. Where y'all at? Ah, there you are, running away already, huh? You hear a chainsaw and all of a sudden you're scared. Come here, Danny, trying to unlock a door. The fact that he got the door as well, and the fact that I missed that overhead is just diabolical. And then I get stabbed in the back by Leland. Like, this is crazy. I'm getting double teamed here. One's running through doors, the other one's fucking stabbing me. They're gonna come up the main staircase.
I tried to do a slam, could.
Stop fucking around, because they're actually about to come up. I have not played Bubba in so long. What did I say? They're upstairs.
Jump out that window.
You better open that door. You better open that door.
There it is. There it is, right in my trap.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yo, you see that? Look, he landed in my trap.
Yep.
He got caught.
He barge cooking everything. He thought he was doing something. Break this door. Break the door real quick.
Yo.
That's level 1.
Bro, did this nigga not put a... where'd he put his third lock at?
I don't know. He's got one on the side door.
He did put one on the back door to go out the car batteries.
They're not out there though, it's still locked.
Yeah, but he don't have his lock on it.
I know, but it's still locked.
Yeah, but how we gonna know if they came out there or not?
Better level up Grandpa quickly then. Don't worry about it, it'll be fine. I'm sure. Actually, what am I saying? Don't listen to me. I'm an idiot.
We're not gonna know if they're outside because he doesn't put a lock on it.
Danny's just been hit, bro. Send him to the basement. Oh, nah. Nice one, Cook. I guess teamwork. I'm not gonna complain about it.
If you just listened, I wouldn't have to do this.
Alright. Is there only one left? No, there's two. Danny and... What's her name? Julie.
Julie did it, girls like Julie, they wouldn't let me hit her enough.
Where is she? Where is she?
She came up. Oh, she's in there somewhere.
She's outside. She's outside.
Bro, see, cause this nigga don't have a lock on the door, bro.
Yeah, let me go out. Let me go out. Let me go out. Y'all need to watch the house. Let me go out. He had a lock on it. I think they popped it.
But how did she get outside? Yo, door slam me one more time.
Yo, you need to go inside. That's the problem. And so does Cook.
Yeah, but yo, how the fuck did she get out there if that door's locked?
Oh, they turned the gen off.
Yeah, but how did they get outside? Is the window
I don't
open?
know. Don't ask me. Ask the cook.
Yeah, bro, that's him.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're out. Gen's off. I reckon they got front door.
No, all the doors are locked in the house. They didn't get nothing. All the time locked.
They're not out. They're not out. Hang on. They're not out here. Is no one gonna turn the generator back on? Am I just gonna sit here all fucking game? I'm coming back in. Cook is so useless here, bro. Like, seriously, he's not doing anything out here. He just lets Julie get out of basement. Like, you stay out there, you bitch. Is it tempered or?
Can't do nothing because my traps are both. I need you to come inside and watch the other staircase. Watch the other staircase. Watch the other staircase. See if he gets a bone thing. He can't do nothing. He's stuck upstairs.
Ah.
Upstairs.
Well, I'm at the other staircase.
He can't do nothing.
Well, I found fuse blocks. Are you not watching the other stairs?
No, he can't even come down. He can't come downstairs enough.
I hear him. I hear him somewhere.
Are you watching out of the staircase?
Yeah, I'm up here, bro. He's up here somewhere.
Oh, he disabled it. He disabled it.
Which one? This one. So he's going down the basement.
Off though. Did he tamper it?
Yeah, it's tempered. I can't do anything.
No, it's off. It's off though.
Is it off?
Yeah.
Oh, so where the fuck? What is he doing?
All right, so yo, I need you to watch the other staircase. He's gonna try to come right back up. Watch that other staircase. He's gonna try to come up.
All right.
But we need to watch the back. Well, no, we got exterior now, so we can see what he does.
Might try to stab him.
Oh, did I reset my trap out there?
Oh no, did you?
Oh no, it's not. No, let me reset it. That's how they got it. That's how they got it. But it never showed me some. I could have sworn I reset it when Leland jumped in it.
Well, obviously you didn't.
But Cook is speedy, so if this is level 5, he's level 5.
It should be.
Yup. Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at?
There is.
Where's he at? Oh, he's disabling it. Shit. Get his ass. Get his
Bye, bitch.
Yeah, hell yeah, shit.
Teabag him, teabag him, teabag him. Put balls in mouth, teabag. I'm not getting barricades, by the way. Yeah, I'm running straight for, no thicket, garden storage.
Finally, something useful.
Ah, you bitch. Ah, he's running. Pussy.
I'm playing hands. I guess you're playing Leatherface, and do you
Yep.
want me to watch battle? You gonna watch? You gonna come upstairs?
I might, honestly. I'm not feeling basement right now.
I'm gonna need you up here, 'cause Johnny's.
I'm not breaking barricades either. Like,
I'm breaking barricades up here.
yeah, not down here. There's only 2, but I've done neither of them. So good luck, Johnny. Or I'm just gonna lock you out of basement actually, so go upstairs.
I'm gonna watch house because I don't know. I'm watching this shit.
Yep.
Yeah, I had 2 people watching the live. I don't know if they stopped watching it or not.
They'll probably stream sniping.
Yeah, it's probably from last school. Still live.
Yeah, I'm still live. Yep, they're in the house.
And see, look, I'm watching battle, so I can't leave battle.
No, stay there, stay there. Oh wow, they're out. They're out.
Of course, Johnny wants to rush the basement.
Yep, like a dumbass. They didn't get the gate though. They didn't get the gate. Oh, there's Virginia in the house. And she slams the fuck out of Johnny.
I see you, Wyatt. You not slick. I'm not leaving this spot. I see you.
Do you want me to come over?
Fat. Huh?
Do you want me to come over? Johnny's up here.
Bro, Johnny only. I mean, if you want. But he's right here. He's right there in the grass. If you know where you come out of garden shed,
Yeah.
he's right there in that grass.
I would if I didn't have Honor up here.
Yana up there. Oh yeah, I got a good range for you.
Where'd she go?
But he's trying to sneak so bad to throw the fucking knife at Jen. With them electrocuted. Oh yeah, it's a distraction. I need you to come over here.
Is
I
it
need
a
you to come over here.
I'm not really
Yeah.
trusting Johnny with this place, but I'm coming.
Well, they're gonna get Jen then. Soon as I
I'm
leave
coming,
it,
I'm coming.
Somebody got caught. They got electrocuted.
Oh my god, why is his
Yo, where'd
front
they get
door
ele-
latched? I'm coming.
Where'd they get electrocuted from? Yeah, it's Leland and Wyatt over here.
I'm here. Where are they?
Wait, where'd they get electrocuted from? Oh, they got electrocuted on the side gate. No, side gate. Did they get it? Oh yeah, they got the side gate.
Johnny's up there anyway.
Yeah, just stay. Yeah. Hopefully he does something. They're probably in the grass somewhere, y'all. I guarantee they're in the grass somewhere.
Check bushes.
I swear, if I see somebody escape, I know it's gonna be from fucking, Johnny's up there fighting someone.
Turn the gen off. Turn the gen off.
Turn the gen off.
Yep, turn it off. I'm gonna go up there. Cause otherwise they're gonna get out.
I'm gonna turn it off.
Quick. Going up. They're out. They're out. They're out.
They're out.
They're out.
Yeah, I can install it. What is Johnny doing, yo?
3 of them.
Oh, man.
3 of them. I trusted you with this shit. I trusted you with this shit. And you let 3 of them. Get the fuck out of here.
I will.
That's like it.
Where's she going to?
And then Johnny shot.
Is she still in there?
Where she went to. I need just did some bullshit. Yeah, come down from the house. We got everything. Stair alarms is on.
Alright.
It's better if you best come by Grandpa so she stabs him or tries to fight me. You get interfere.
Yep.
I'm right here. Lock everything up. Shut all the doors in the house.
Yep, everything's shut.
In the house.
Yeah, in the
this
house.
gate's right here. Shut. Yeah. So she comes up with Gramps. Too. Batteries shut and all. So. There it is. She just went back in there. You seen it?
What battery?
In fact, yeah. Go to well. Go down to the basement. She's going well.
Where does that well lead? Oh, I think I know.
Yeah, by underneath the thing.
Yeah, like near Leatherface Lair.
Yep, right there. She's back here for sure.
Get her to well. Get her to well.
Yep, I'm leading her to well now. She's welling. She just well. She just well.
There she is. Come here. Yeah, go to my lair. Be a pussy. You don't want this. Oh, you're lucky.
Good.
Might be able to get her if you come. I don't even know where she went now. Donnie's down here, but yeah, I lost her. I'm coming up.
Back to go to battery. Go to battery. Know if Johnny shut that gate or not.
Yeah, it's shut. Can you feed?
Feed now. I'm collecting blood over here.
Alright, alright.
Be careful too. Fuse is open, but I got rip stalls. So.
Yep.
Any blood or no?
No, I already fed him.
Alright, I'm about to feed him now. 5 should get him.
Is that her?
Where?
In front of me.
Might be.
Yeah, it was. How did that miss? Hit her into Johnny Shack. Where's she going?
She went into Johnny's shack.
She went out. She went out. I tagged her.
She went to.
Basement, basement.
Oh yeah, I wonder if Johnny got blood now. Feed him.
I can feed. I can feed.
She bled out. Yeah, she bled out. They all wasn't escaping.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like. Please subscribe to the channel. The guy I was playing with, that's my boy Tyler. I'm gonna link his channel down in the description. Go and sub to him. He posts clips from his games and he does live stream there as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one.